Hi guys, I'm back. So yeah, today we are messing. Oops, table's messy. I'm sorry. Welcome back. Today we are messing with the vacuum engines again. I've had some classmates. If you're watching, hi. I'm weird, aren't I? Anyways, so today I bring you kind of the amalgamation of some cool things that I've built all at once. And we're going to try to do a burnout with a Lego tire. If not, I'll just show you everything. If it doesn't do a burnout, then I'm sorry. Disappointment. There's lots of it with me. Anyways, so yeah. This is my single cylinder vacuum engine. The other cylinder is sitting on the floor for anyone curious about the 2-cylinder that I've made. It's over there. It's still in one piece. It's able to be used. But I wanted to use the single cylinder because it seems just more powerful. This is my little Lego compatible centrifugal clutch. I'm not posting the STLs in the video. I may do a video about showing it. It is super duper simple that anybody could CAD model it or make a Lego equivalent if you're really feeling really productive, I guess. But anyways, yeah. So let's just get right into it. Hey, it's doing it. Well, I have the bad habit of things falling apart on me today, so that's just something I was expecting to happen. So yeah, sure, I'll just quickly tear it down here so you guys can see it. So, hopefully this is all within frame. The way this thing works, you have your outer disc, inner disc, and on the inner disc, on poles, you have little arms. These arms, when you spin the engine up or spin the whole spin the driver, I'll call this inner disc the driver. This is the receiver. The driver gear spins. These arms go out. They'll touch the inner wall of this, transferring the spinning to the outer disc, which the outputs are not coupled together. This and this don't connect to each other, so it spins on a separate clutch. But yeah, okay, I'm kind of surprised it did a burnout. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like. It honestly does help out the channel when you guys sub, because sometimes when I start getting 1 or 2 subscribers, it kind of starts to go up again, and then it dies off for some reason. YouTube is weird. It's a weird place for people that make content. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Appreciate everyone that watches and people that stick through me blabbing. Thanks for watching.